So Akka, what fish you have? Fresh, okay. They have fresh prawns. Oh, fresh prawns. Very good. And which fish? Which fish is this? Pare? Without
bro, ஒரு அளவுக்கு தான் bro எல்லாமே. சும்மா சும்மா
One bone, straight bone, center bone.
okay, without bone, na? How much for that?
2 piece 150. 1 piece 100. Face. 2 piece 150. 2 piece 100. Taste
And Hindi? You know Hindi? And this one?
prawns.
Prawn fry. Prawn fry.
Prawn.
How much for that?
Eat 1 plate.
One plate these and okay, like these two. This two. Can I make? Which masala is this? What's your name?
Radhika. Radhika.
Radhika. Okay, you look nice. So I'm making prawn fries. We'll add some onion and some, what is this? White color? White color? Corn flour. Okay.
Like that.
For crispiness.
Ah.
Okay.
Like
I cook. I love to cook.
cooking.
Cooking. I love. Nimbu.
Limbu.
Add some lime juice.
Face prawn.
This is big size prawn.
Big face prawn.
And we are making small prawn. How can I like say small in Tamil? Small in Tamil?
வந்து இப்ப நான் என்ன உங்கள்கிட்ட சொல்றது
Tamil
சின்ன
small?
size. சின்ன size.
Chinna size prawn. I'm making
Okay,
chinna
நான்
size
சொல்றது
prawn.
டக்குனு இப்படியே சொல்லி சொல்லி நானே மறந்துட்டேன்.
Smell is nice. And here preparing our this fish. Which fish?
பாறை பாறை.
Pare fish. So I did my part.
அதனால தமிழே.
But I love Tamil. You can teach me Tamil.
நான் தமிழ் நல்லா பேசுவேன். ஆனா தமிழ்காரங்க தமிழ் ஓகே. உங்கள மாதிரியும் ஓகே. அது பேசுவேன்.
I don't want to speak Hindi.
அத
I want to speak only Tamil. But I have to learn for that. I'm very weak in English. I'm very weak in Tamil. I have to learn Tamil for my subscribers. And our prawn is ready. Oh,
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 10 இயர் நின்னு.
very beautiful. You look
10
beautiful.
10 இயர்.
Oh. But that is very good actually.
இது ஓகே. இது பாருங்க.
10 years back.
10 years
Ago. Okay. So
அப்பலாம் இது நோ.
he is looking amazing.
prawns.
Ah, suda ready prawns. Okay. So our suda ready prawns. So let's try. Fresh like hell. It is like fresh, spicy and taste like super. நல்லா இருக்கு அக்கா, நல்லா இருக்கு. Wow, your decoration is very good. Nice.
Only
So, akka, tell me your name.
Radhika.
Radhika. Radhika akka is very good woman and very beautiful also. And she is very friendly. So, tell me your address. In this
Only
shop.
Chinna Veerampattinam,
Mhm.
Eden Beach,
Mhm.
Zipline Radhika shop.
Radhika shop.
Suda suda ready-ஆன fish, egg Maggi ready. Okay.
Like garma garam fish, hot fish. I'm going to enjoy that fish and most recommended shop because she is very friendly, very nice. Please, if you will come this beach, Eden Beach, then have something to them. So I finished my day with that beautiful sunset, Surya Astanam moment, and it is like a very beautiful day. I spent the whole day in Eden Beach, and this is very special for me this day because this is the last day in Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu, and I am little emotional because I don't want to go back to my place because I can feel that this is my place, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, my people, my place, my home. And video, I'm finishing this video like beautiful sunset. So guys, please be with me, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So be happy, stay healthy. This is your Sammy signing off. Tamil Nadu, Makkalakala, Mikka Nandri.